uncut version, unedited version, direct in one go, and I'm gonna upload just like that. You know, like this, and like पापा मुझे माफ कर दो, मैं कभी ऐसा कुछ करने वाली हूँ, but obviously not how to apply. I forgot to apply Sanskrit. There's a lot of sun. I just wanted a good sunlight on my. It me like a dramatic scene, like a dharan dharan dharan, like you know what is happening, and then. Hi everyone, this is me Lilvla Sanktam, your favorite, and welcome back to my channel, YouTube channel, and this is again another story time. Like story time basically ऐसा है कि ये बचपन की बातें हैं. Like you know how we all have grown up. I'm sure बचपन में parents would be strict. My parents were really strict because my dad was in army, so of course वो बिल्कुल फौजी वाले dad थे. जैसे फौजी पापा होते हैं ना, सुबह उठो ये करो 10,000 काम, बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा. He was very strict, and you know that when you have a strict parents, kids learn lot how to lie better than other. And I'm sure कि ये कोई बहुत बड़ी बात ऐसे नहीं कि you should be really happy about me lying it, but it's just that it's just a thing, it's just a rule. Like if you are very strict, your kids gonna know how to lie better. So yes, I was somebody who will lie a lot as a kid. Like I used to find it like हाँ झूठ तो सभी बोलते होंगे, मतलब मैं बोल रही हूँ तो क्या हो गया, until unless everybody is lie, until unless you get caught. That's the fine line which I have learned, which I used to think. So there was this time where I was like, okay, and there was few things which we were not supposed to say, okay, in certain words. Like for example, Papa बचपन में he was very strict, so he will make sure that we are not talking about as a couple thing or a love thing. You know, we were not supposed to say all this thing. He was like, ये word नहीं use करना, it's a banned thing. And also there was few words like चोरी करना, all the झूठ बोलना. These words were banned in our dictionary because it was not something that he will appreciate. So एक दिन की बात है. So my dad was like, you know, he came in his house, and this is how I remember. Maybe the thing would be different that time, but the thing is, I saw him in a room, and then suddenly he was like, you know, counting some cash, and a lot of bunch of cash, like a lot of money, okay. And I was like, wow. And I used to call my dad Athram, like his name is Athram Saab. His name is Athram Saab, his name is Athram Sankam, but the thing, he was in army, so obviously people will come and say Ram Ram Saab and Athram Saab, all those things. I thought his name is Athram Saab, so I never used to call him dad. I used to never call him like Papa. I used to call him like Athram Saab, okay. As a kid, I was a little rebel, so I was like, okay, I'll call him Athram Saab. So I used to every time call him Athram Saab. I'm like, Athram Saab, आप इतने सारे पैसे लाए हो कहाँ से? चोरी के पैसे. And of course, for my stupid sake, I forgot that chori word was banned and we are not supposed to say. And my dad used to beat me. He will never have that kind of love for me, like oh बच्ची है, लड़की है, इसको नहीं मारो. नहीं. I was the most. We are three siblings, and I did 4. We are 3 siblings, and I was the one who will get beaten up like shit, and people will be like, अरे आपकी फूल जैसी बेटी है. अरे पापा बोले फूल जैसे काम भी तो होने चाहिए. हिंदी वाला फूल नहीं, इंग्लिश वाला फूल जैसे काम करते. तो of course the people will not agree to it. And I'm like, okay, maybe बकवास करती हूँ तो शायद मैं मार खा सकती. तो of course that day my dad was like, what is wrong with this girl? I have already told everybody not to use these kind of. And of course he was in army blood. Yeah, he has army that blood, and he was like, यार मैं इतना अच्छे से पैसे कमा रहा हूँ, like you know, it was like my hard and soul money, and how can you call me like a thief and all those things. He took it as personal. I'm like, I'm just 6-year-old, don't take it so personally. But he took it very personally. He was like, how dare she, you know, tell me. And now there was a sudden silence because मेरे घर में ना थोड़ा सा ड्रामा होता था कि my dad will say certain thing, I will say certain thing, I will get beaten up. So my both brothers were like monkeys. They'll just sit next to me. They'll be like, they'll just waiting. Okay, they'll just wait as if the movie is going on, something is happening, and there's gonna be drama, and they'll just wait. When will I get first slap? When will I do all this thing? And suddenly my both brothers are sitting like this, and they're like, okay, let me see. अब क्या होता है आगे? And I'm like, okay, अब मैंने बोल दिया है ना. There's something which I've said it already, so that's not something that I can take it back. So I'm like, okay, now I've said it. Now how to reclaim my throne or whatever, I couldn't do anything. I was like, हाँ पापा चोरी, and I'm like, oh fuck. And my dad was like, अब तो. And there was a sudden dramatic thing, okay, like a movie. And suddenly he was like, he just put his head down and he was like, okay. And now my mom came in the picture and she's like, this was the time, like you know, ये वो दिन दिखाया था तुम लोगों को बड़ा करके कि तुम अपने पापा को ऐसा बोलो. और मैं कहा, मम्मी, this is not the right time for you to come and join, and it's not a cute card for you that you will come and join and behave like as if you are in a movie. Now she's putting all that dialogue, and I'm hitting my mom, and I'm looking at my mom like, no, don't say all this, because it's like a, you know, there's a fire and you are working as a kerosene and you're just putting it, and now you can see the fire is gonna go really high and lit. Now my dad is like, okay, now how can she say all these things? And I was like, okay, now अब बहुत हो गया. इसने मेरे पापा के फेमस फौजी का डायलॉग मारा, ऐसे झुके हुए थे, एंड वाज लाइक स्टैंडिंग अप एंड लाइक सडनली ही टोल्ड अस, कोई बात नहीं, अब कोई बीच में नहीं आएगा. इसने मेरे को नहीं बोला है, एक फौजी को बोला, एक फौजी को चोर बोला. एंड आई एम लाइक, एक्सक्यूज मी डैड, you're Fauji to others, but you're my dad. Like, I'm calling my dad. Okay, I understand. I'm calling you Atham Saab. Doesn't mean that I'm actually a Fauji. I'm not a Sipahi, right? I'm your kid. But of course, he forgot it. And I'm like, okay, now ठीक, I'm ready. कि अब मार तो खाना है. And then suddenly I'm like, okay, अब मैं, I was also, because I was his daughter, I had his blood. I also said it. Atham Saab, एक आंसू नहीं आएगा. इस आंख से एक आंसू नहीं आएगा. And I am like, why did I say all this? My lips were ऐसे, like shivering also while I said it, but because I was a confident child and I was a stupid child also, so I'll just say random things. Both my brothers now here, my one brother here, another my brother, and they both are looking like अब तो मार खाएगी, अब तो बहुत गंदा इसको पिटने वाला है, because how dare she is saying, और then she's answering back also, she's saying blah, then they were just thinking it's too much for them to take it, but they just wanted an imaginary popcorn. They're sitting like it's an imaginary popcorn they're eating, and they're like now अब तो खाएगी ये मार, बहुत बुरे वाले पिटने वाले, अब इसका तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. And I'm like, अब इन्होंने बोल दिया है तो नाउ आई एम ऑल्सो हिज चाइल्ड. आई लाइक एक आंसू नहीं आएगा, आई विल नॉट क्राई. एंड नाउ वन रूम टू अनदर रूम, ओ माय गुडनेस, मतलब इतना मार खाई हूँ मैं. कभी उस दिन मैंने कसम, मैंने हाथ में कसम खा लेता. इमेजिन, आई सेड सॉरी, आई वाज जस्ट अंडर इज लाइक यू नो लाइक दिस, एंड लाइक पापा मुझे माफ कर दो, मैं कभी ऐसा कुछ करने वाली. बट ऑब्वियसली सामने मैंने ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोला. इट वाज जस्ट हैपनिंग इन माय ब्रेन. Now I'm like maar kha rahi hu, and I'm just looking at my brothers. They both are enjoying. My mom is also like, she's also seeing, trying to understand what is happening. And I'm like, एक room से मार खा रही हूँ, यहाँ थप्पड़ खा रही हूँ, वहाँ थप्पड़ खा रही हूँ. How does she say all this thing? And I'm looking at my brothers here, and my dad. My brothers were like, you know, of course, why do I call them monkey? Because they were not all helping, and they were like, हाँ बता दे पापा को, शायद पापा अभी मान जाएंगे. लेकिन अभी उनके दिल में दिल है, मान जाएंगे. All those things, stupid drama and all that. अच्छा, funny thing is, everybody has learned Hindi very recently. So of course, people are saying Hindi in like a movie, Bollywood dialogues. Okay, nobody is talking like a normal Hindi talk, like how we used to do in Delhi or Bombay, like that. They were just talking like a bada dialogue. They were using big dialogue, like a Bollywood dialogue. And I'm like, oh God, everybody wants to be in Karan Johar's movie. I don't know what they are thinking, that they'll go to Bollywood, something like that. And I was like, okay, now enough. बहुत मारा पापा ने. Of course, lady, my mom, my king, my, I don't know what should I call her. She came in the picture. Suddenly she said, बहुत हो गया, बेटी को बहुत मारो, अब खत्म करो. शी इज नॉट गोना से, एंड शी इज लाइक, हाँ आप बोलो अपने पापा को सॉरी बोलो, एंड से दैट यू नॉट गोना से इट. एंड आई एम लाइक, इस आदमी को सॉरी बोलना है? हाँ, ये आदमी ने जो मेरे को तैयार भी नहीं किया, इतना मारा मुझको सोच के फौजी. बट मैंने मम्मी वो लाइक से नाउ, एंड आई एम लाइक ओके सॉरी डैड, आई एम नॉट गोना से इट. ओके, कट टू नेक्स्ट डे. Now this has happened, the whole drama has happened. I cried. I did not cry, of course, but in my heart I was crying, shedding tears, everything in my room. And now I never had my own room. Of course, as a kid, middle child, and middle class family, we never had a room, right? So in my imaginary world, imaginary room, I was like, fuck. I can't say sorry also. In my head I was like rebelling. I was thinking, how will I go against? Next day, cut to next day, we all are sitting on a dining table. Out of nowhere, my dad is like now serving food. He did something like this, and he had a nice watch he's wearing. He's putting this, and suddenly I don't know, out of nowhere, I've forgotten those days. Those days I'm saying it was just one day prior, and I forgot it. Okay, like he's just beaten me up, and I said it. Papa, nahi ghadi, kahan se oh my goodness! The moment I was saying because it was like chori. Both my brothers look at me like a dramatic scene, like a dharan, like you know what is happening, and they're like, बकवास कैसे कर लेती है? लाइक कल तू इतना मार खाए, योर फेस इज स्वोलन अप राइट नाउ, इट इज नॉट समथिंग दैट इट इज फार अवे. तेरी आंखें सूजी हुई, गाल में निशान है, तो अभी भी कैसे बकवास कर सकते रहना? ओह शिट, अब मुझे मार पड़ने वाली. तो मैंने ऐसे हाथ जोड़ा, मैंने कहा पापा. I did not call him Atham Saab that time. I'm like पापा. My obviously dad understood the assignment, like चलो माफ कर देना बकवास. So that was a story, very funny story, that मैंने बहुत मार खाया बचपन में. अगर if you also have something like that, there were so many stories, like I don't know, and those stories, why do I used to get beaten up? अगर मैं अमेरिका में होती तो I'm sure my dad would be in a jail right now. Like you know, they can't tolerate, right? They can't do all this to your kid. But my dad never had that kind of thing, and never that kind of rule. And like okay, अब मैंने कर दिया है, मैं करूँगा, मेरा बच्चा मैंने पाला, मैंने पैदा किया, I can do anything. This is what they have been thinking all their life, and now that's all. This is the story. I hope you have liked my stupid story, but whatever it is, and it's too bright, and like how I told in the previous video, you should apply sunscreen. Today I forgot how to apply sunscreen. Not how to apply, I forgot to apply sunscreen. There's a lot of sun. I just wanted a good sunlight on my face because just to make this video. So of course I'm going down, and bye bye. Thank you so much, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you want more stories like that, stupid stories. I have many. I will spill the beans. You will please don't unsubscribe me yet. My personality will make sure this as a beautiful. I don't know if you can feel it. It's a beautiful story. So I'm sure there are gonna be a lot. Otherwise, I have a lot of things to share. I blabber a lot. I talk so much. This is what I do. Uncut version, unedited version, direct in one go, and I'm gonna upload just like that. So bye bye from here. And hi to everybody, and Godspeed. Take care of yourself, take care of everybody, and do pray for me, do pray for yourself, do pray for everybody. And that's how I told everybody that silent blessing, silent prayer is very important. Please believe in that, because I had to believe nothing else. Yeah, please pray for me so that I can also have silent blessings. So bye bye, and lots of love and lots of heart, and Godspeed. Bye.